Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 9 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Have you ever needed help but felt afraid to ask because you didn't want to bother someone? Or maybe you asked, "Can you help me?" and it sounded a bit too strong? Today, I'm going to teach you a magic word. It's the word mind. When you use this word, your requests become instantly polite and professional. Before we dive into the magic, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our 30-day journey. Ready? Let's go. The word mind basically means to be bothered or to feel annoyed. So when we ask, "Do you mind?" we are literally asking, "Does this bother you?" This is why it sounds so respectful. Here is the most important rule. After mind, we always use a verb with ing. Tip number 1. Use would you mind for general favors. For example, would you mind closing the door? Wow, it sounds much better than close the door please, right? Tip number 2. Use it to ask for help with a task. Example, would you mind explaining this again? It shows you respect the other person's time. What if you want to do something and you want to ask for permission? Tip number 3. Use do you mind if I? Example, do you mind if I sit here? This is much more polite than just sitting down. Tip number 4. Use it at work or in public places. Example, do you mind if I open the window? Now, here is the tricky part. This is where many students get confused. How do you answer? If someone asks, do you mind if I sit here? And you want to say yes, meaning they can sit, you must say no. Why? Because you are saying, no, I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. To avoid confusion, native speakers use these friendly phrases. Not at all. This is the best way to say yes, you can. No, go ahead. Of course not. Remember, no means yes in the world of mind. Let's practice. Repeat after me with a polite and soft voice. Sentence 1. Would you mind helping me for a second? Sentence 2. Do you mind if I use your pen? Sentence 3. Would you mind turning down the music? Sentence 4. No, not at all. Using mind is like having a key to people's hearts. It makes you a very pleasant person to talk to. Episode 9 homework. I want to ask you a favor. Would you mind writing a short sentence using the word mind in the comments? I will check your grammar for you. If you found this magic word helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Tomorrow, in episode 10, we reach a big milestone. We will learn how to describe your daily routine naturally. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye and see you in the next episode.